How to attract someone to you. The information I provide in this topic today should not be used for the fooling innocent peoples, dating or playing around. But instead the information is provided for those who are serious about their long-term relationships. I am not responsible for the misuse of such information. How to attract someone you like. And is there some kind of method that would help you to attract people? Yes, there is. The human mind is governed by certain laws that control its operation. If you manage to understand these laws correctly, you will be able to manipulate it and use it to your side. In this topic today, I am going to tell you how to attract people you like by manipulating his mind. There are few steps. If you follow these steps correctly, then you will be able to attract someone you like in your life. Step 1. It starts with attention. Each day people are bombarded with events, advertisement, phone calls and thoughts. Each of these items usually occupy the person's mind for a few seconds to few minutes before they are completely forgotten. The same thing happens with the peoples. They usually forget those they were with a few moments after they leave unless something catches their attention. The first step to attract someone to you is to catch their attention by showing them that you are different and unlike all other people they met before. Don't confuse this with a love or attraction. You just want to let the person know that you are different so that you occupy some of their thoughts. Step 2. Turning attention to obsession. After you manage to catch the person's attention, you should then move on to step 2. The human mind always fills the gaps by making conclusions about the peoples, and the larger the gap seems, the harder it will be for a mind to fill it quickly. If you manage to give a little exciting information about you, then the person you want to attract will spend a lot of time trying to fill the gap. You should only give the person the starting point for their thoughts by displaying the interesting information about you and then allow their mind to fill the gap with their wide imagination. Step 3. Impressing the obsessed. If you did the previous step successfully, the person will think about you a lot and will try to understand you more because you seem mysterious. At this point, you can display all the impressive qualities that you possess, especially the one that the other person lacks. For example, if the person you are trying to attract is shy, then you should display self-confidence. Step 4. Playing on their unmet needs. If the person you want to attract lacks intimacy, then provide them with intimacy. If they lack confidence, then show them that you are confident. If they are afraid of life, then show them that you have a lot of courage. The last step. Turning obsession into need and desire. Once the person becomes obsessed with you, the next step should be showing up less often. You also need to make sure that your best friend talks about you positively in your absence in the presence of that person. For example, one of your friends might say, "That guy is brilliant, no wonder all the girls are chasing him." By doing so, you are not only providing social proofs to the person, but you are also igniting their patience. At this point, the person should have fell for you. Use this information wisely. Wish you all the best.